Hey you guys, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I wanted to go over some trades with you guys based off of what I had talked about in class today. We had talked today, if you missed the class earlier today, which is Sunday, and you can check the date right here, 5/17. You can, it was actually 5/16 because it's past midnight. But anyway, you'll be able to go back and listen to what we had talked about in class. If you missed that lesson, you definitely want to go back and listen to it. But I had told you guys that what you need to do is learn how to understand that when you're placing trades, you are going to be a scalper, are you going to be a day trader, or are you going to be a swing trader? I went over time periods, the pros and cons of it. Make sure you listen to it. I think it'll be very helpful for you. So based on that, you can see that this particular trade is the AUD CAD. It follows the rules. We got a lot of red here, and you can see this sailed here. Everything lines up exactly the way I needed to do, and so I took this trade here. Bam, everything lined up. Now there is more to this to confirm the trade, but again, you have to sign up for that, and I'll walk you through the step-by-step, okay, on what to look for. Let's take a look at another trade here that I'm in, and you can see the buyers, sellers are starting to come in, and everything is lining up pretty nicely. We have everything exactly what we're looking for. So, you know, as you are understanding what kind of trader you want to be, here goes another one here. Once you understand what kind of trader you want to be, trading is not that difficult because you learn to stay in your lane. You learn to stay focused on who you are, what type of trader you want to be. And, you know, trading is not complicated at that point. You're simplifying the whole process because it's simplified in your head. A lot of traders are trading, but they're overcomplicating things in their own mind. And because of their complication in their mind, they want to be a day trader or a swing trader, but they have a scalper's mentality. They're nervous. There's a cricket. They're always moving and playing around with their stop losses, doing this kind of stuff. Well, you know, well, maybe, and then they move it a little bit closer, and then the stop hunt comes, they get tapped out, and you know the rest of the story. Me, I'm a swing trader. I know exactly what I need to be looking for. I always show you guys the entries and how I do my entry assessments, but there's actually more steps to this, and I only share that such as when to enter the trades, what are the confirmations to look for other than these. These are the entry point confirmations, but we do have other things that we do. We basically interview our currency pairs before we actually place a trade to make sure they're going to qualify as a high quality trade. So again, you know, when you understand the full story of how trading is put together, how to confirm your trades and everything else, and you say you're tired of being a person who's always stuck on the charts, and again, based on the lesson that I taught today, you can clearly see these are some very simple, easy trades that I'm in, and just waiting for them to play out, you know, and do what they do. You know, they're going to fluctuate and do what they need to do, but again, you know, this is part of where you just enter in, you look for what you're looking for, and you place your stop loss comfortably, and you take profits, and you know, you just, hey, I'm not going to worry, you know, and which is what I'm about to do. I'm about to go to sleep. And when I wake up in the morning, you know, I got up 4 trades or so, and whichever ones worked out, cool. Whatever one didn't, okay, that's all right. We just get into the next trade again, rinse and repeat the routine, okay? So anyway, I want to just share this with you guys so that you guys can clearly see that when you stick to rules and you understand who you are as a trader, trading is not that difficult because you understand what to look for, and you become very picky and patient waiting for what you want because, hey, I understand what kind of trader I am. I am not a scalper. I am a day trader and a swing trader. That's what I am, and so I'm comfortable with what I do. Okay, so I'll pause this video, and you know, we'll see how it turns out. But if not, like I said, either way it goes, I might just end this video because I'm tired anyway, because I really was just trying to show you guys some setups, what they would look like, but also how I'm making my decisions as a day trader / swing trader. Okay, thanks. Well, that didn't take long, you guys. Look at this. I told you. Come and get the training and know what kind of trader you want to be. Look at this. I'm not going to record the whole thing, but again, remember I showed you the 4 trades? Woo woo, there we are. In the money, in the money, in the money, honey. Not bad at all. That didn't even take long. I stopped for a moment to do a couple of things, and one of the things you guys need training on is when is the times to enter to the trades. Okay, that's very vital, and a lot of you guys are jumping in way too soon, getting your stop loss hit, and you could avoid all that foolishness. So anyway, I am officially going to sleep now. I just wanted to follow up here and kind of show you guys what was popping. So again, join us here at Super Easy Forex. That's superezforex.com, and take advantage of the trainings and the things that we offer. Again, it's a one-time fee. It's not a monthly fee for the Super Easy system. If you do want to join our signal service where we do send out signals, that's a small fee for that. But other than that, the trading system itself, it's a one-time fee, and it comes with my weekly classes. So come on in, get the education, and come make this money. Again, today is you can see the date right here, 5/17/21. So you can always go back to your own charts, do your own checking to make sure that everything lined up. Regardless of an indicator, the candlesticks are the candlesticks. So nobody can fake that. It is what it is. So again, but when you come in and you know what you're looking for as a trader, again, trading is extremely easy. All right, you guys. So I'll see you on the inside.